You know, a settling attorney is an attorney that never has gone to court, that never goes to court. There are attorneys in the state of Colorado who have become household names through legal advertising that don't go to court. They have thousands of cases and they don't go to court. Or if they have gone to court over a period of, for instance, 15 years, they might have tried when they have thousands of cases, perhaps 15 or 20 cases. And that wouldn't be the attorney that you see on television. That might be somebody who is a younger attorney that doesn't have much experience. That gets us to one place, is that to be a legitimate threat to an insurance company, you have to have experience. And if you don't have experience, the insurance companies don't pay much attention to them. They like settlement firms. The reason that they like them is because they pay them less. The settling lawyer never makes a problem for them. What happens is he sends them information about the victim, he talks to them, and as quickly as he can, he settles the case. That may be okay in a case where somebody has a broken arm. That's okay in 6 weeks. But it is absolutely not okay when somebody has been horribly hurt and is facing a lifetime of injury, future medical bills, loss of income. And you know, you think about loss of income. When you have loss of income, it affects everything around you. You know, it's not just a matter of paying bills, but you lose your identity. You no longer are who you were. You're not the teacher. You're not the guy that builds highways. You're not the guy that works in the restaurant. You're not the rancher, the farmer. You know who you are? You are injured. And it changes your perception of yourself, and it changes the bottom line. How do you take care of your family? How do you take care of a mortgage? How do you take care of getting older and having something for your old age? And you know that the tragedy of what happens when you don't have a really good attorney is that if you don't get awarded that money, or figure out how to get it, you become a ward of society. You end up in the Social Security rolls, disability rolls, and you know something? It is sad not only for the individual and the family person that got hurt, it's not good for society. You know, if you get the average 30-year-old person that's been badly hurt and they end up collecting Social Security disability for 40 or 50 years, that is a tremendous, tremendous drain on our resources in this country. Now, think about it. Who should be paying for that? Should the government be paying for that injured person? And that government, by the way, is all of us. Or should that be, or should the right person be paying, or the right entity? Should the insurance company be paying? And the answer is very conclusive. The insurance company should pay, and the victim only has one chance only to come into court and to ask for justice. And that's why it's so important. It's not just important to the family, but it's important to the country.